Greetings and welcome back to my channel! It is I, Aaron, and today I am filming the no mirror makeup challenge. I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be okay. If you want to see that, just keep on watching. But if you're watching this video and you enjoy it, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, join the darling army. It's a fantastic place. All right, let's go. Beer of the day, Soul. Because that's literally all the beer there is in the fridge, and it's depressing. This is weird. I don't know what to look at. This is the Catrice Light, what? Correcting serum. The light what? I don't know. I don't know how I feel like I'm gonna do in this challenge. Like, you guys know I'm pretty blind to begin with, so maybe I'll do a pretty good job. I don't know. It'll probably be terrible. It will probably be terrible. So it's Memorial Day weekend, in case you guys are wondering why I'm all red, white, and blue. So there, I found my Kat Von D concealer, so I guess I'll use that. I'm gonna try to do everything just like I normally would. I'm gonna use some Airspun powder and powder my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Dare to Create palette because it does not have a mirror in it. It's perfect for this moment, so I'm scared that I will cheat by accident. Okay. Okay, I am nervous though. And we're gonna pop into Bare. Oh, this is weird. Like, where do I look? Oh my god, this thing has a reflection. Everything is so difficult. I'm going to keep that on the outer corner and then move it a little bit inside as well, but mostly, hopefully mostly on the outer corner. Next, for the lid, I'm use this bright red color called Smashed, and I usually do that with my finger, so that's what I'm going to do right now. A little pinky action with this red. Go back in with my tapered blending brush and a little bit of the red shimmer. Just pop that in the lower crease, hopefully. I think that looked good. Yeah, then let's use a lighter shimmer just to be like extra. We're going with Spark. I don't know if that's lighter. No, go right in the center. I don't see the foundation I want it to go in with, so I guess I'll just go in with this Luminous Wear from Mary Kay. Already on my hand. Okay. Let's set that in place with some Airspun. So then once that's done, I guess I usually bronze, right? Is that too much? This is a weird one. I'll go over with my powder brush. Any attempts to remedy anything terrible I just did to myself. Oh god. Eyeliner. Bitch. I feel like this is really bad. I haven't put myself in the eye yet, that's a plus. As long as this outer corner is good, I'll be happy with that. I'm scared for my life. Milani Eye Tech, don't do me dirty, okay? Do people usually do wing liner in this challenge? When do I not wear a wing liner? Can't even do a wing liner when I can see it. Okay. That felt wrong. That felt terrible. I can't go back in. It'll be worse. Okay. I don't know. It's probably not filled in. I don't know. That was probably really bad. Okay. Jesus Christ. I guess I'm gonna take indigo under the lash line. Then how do I know if it's blended out or not? I guess we'll take the Sigma brush and bare and just do it kind of smoke-tastically. Right? That makes sense. Hope for the best. Okay, mascara, that's scary. Okay, yeah, it's time to highlight. So we'll just go in with Pearl, which is our fave, on a big highlighting brush. R36 from Morphe. This could save everything except the wing liner. I mean, if that's not in the right spot or filled in, there's really nothing. Nothing we can do about that, right? I think so. Okay, cool. I'm gonna spray my face because why not? I'm gonna do like a Korean look and just do it on the inside, hopefully. React on camera. How'd I do? Is my eyeliner really bad?
Yes.
What?
Let me just say it's not your best work.
Alright, I'm gonna pull out a mirror and look at myself now. Thank you, Grace.
Okay.
Love you.
Love
I'm
you.
scared. Oh god. Oh god. It's not as bad as I thought. Honestly, the eyeshadow blending is not terrible. While my top of my liner, it's a problem. For sure. Well, my skin looks okay. Okay, I don't know. What do you guys think? How did I do? Tell me down below. Did you like this challenge? Was it fun? I had fun doing it. I'm trying to figure out if I can salvage this look. I think I probably could. I just need to take the liner off. That's pretty impressive. I should probably just overdraw the liner. Wow. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this no mirror makeup challenge. I hope that you enjoyed it. I had fun filming it for sure. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Join the darling army! You can also follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's all at I'm a Pluralist. And if you'd like to support me in my creative journey, you can go become a patron on Patreon. The link is down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!